Good evening, my name is Maria Fernanda Martinez. I'm 32 years old. I'm from Colombia. I live in Florida Valle del Cauca. My email address is mafe30@hotmail.com. Florida Valle is a nice place. There are a lot of mountains where the river Fraile is born. People are friendly. Most of them like to go out on weekends to eat or have drink with their friends or family. There are restaurants, discotheques, cafes, recreational places like Tayrona with natural water pools, clothing store, and a large square where people sell fruit salads, um, fried food, and natural juice. My hobbies are reading the bicycle, watching movies, spending time with my family, and cooking. My daily routine. I usually get up at 7 a.m., then I brush my teeth and make my breakfast. After that, I take a shower at 7:40 and eat my breakfast. I start working at 8:30 a.m., then I have my lunch at 1 p.m. Then I start working again at 2 p.m. I work until 6 p.m. After that, I have my dinner at 7 p.m. Then I study at 7:30 p.m. and go to sleep at 11 p.m. My father is a significant person in my life. His name is Jose Arley. He is 65 years old. He has black hair and brown eyes. He is tall, thin, and white man. He is a businessman. He has his own company. He is intelligent, hardworking, loving, and sometimes he is moody and forgetful. I felt really happy when I saw the sea for the first time because it was an amazing experience for me. I felt really sad when my pet passed away because I love it. I love it, my good friend. I was really worried when my family and I got COVID-19. After I graduated, I planning to be a teacher, to English teacher. I would like to travel to country that speaking English to improve my English. And I won't get married because I'm already married and I don't want to get married again. Thank you for your attention.